Did you know over 55% of new vehicles no longer come with a spare tyre? They come with an emergency sealant. You can find this in the boot of your car where it will look something like this. You'll find your tyre sealant and a compressor, but what do you actually do in an event of a puncture? Thankfully, we don't have a puncture today, but let's pretend we do. What are we supposed to do? First things first, make sure you're parked up in a really safe place. And if you can see where the puncture is, try and get it against the ground so the pressure of the ground is helping keep as much air in as we can. Top tip, if it is a foreign object, never pull it out. You then want to grab your tyre sealant, unwind the hose and give it a good old shake. Next up, take off your dust cap and put it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. You then want to screw the hose onto the dust cap, which may look easier than it is. And if you're struggling because of freezing cold hands, get a friend to help. Connect the compressor to the 12 volt in your car and turn on the ignition. Then connect the tyre sealant, turn on the compressor and inflate tyres to the recommended pressure. All done. Once you can get back into the warmth of your car, make sure to stick the sticker onto your steering wheel to remind you to drive under 50 miles an hour until you get your tyre replaced or repaired. Now, we advise that you pull over after approximately 5 miles just to check that the sealant is doing what it should do and you're not losing any more pressure. Remember that tyre sealant isn't a permanent fix for your tyre. You will need to take it in to get replaced or repaired, and make sure you replace your sealant as well in case of another emergency. All new cars do come with tyre sealant in the boot, but make sure it's in date as they do run out after 4 to 5 years. Or if you've had a puncture, make sure to get it replaced. Now, you don't want to call your car out without tyre sealant and a puncture, but not to worry, you don't have to go back to the main dealer to get it replaced. All our branches carry gem seal. It's exactly the same as what you get in your car from new, but it comes at a cheaper price and has the same valve attachments.